Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of customizing the email text for the Tutor LMS User Importer plugin. If you've ever wanted to personalize the emails your users receive when imported into your Tutor LMS platform, you're in the right place. But before we begin, remember to always test these changes on a staging website first to avoid any issues on your live site. Let's dive in. Step 1. Testing on the staging website. The first step is to install the Tutor LMS Custom User Importer plugin. Step 2. Navigating to the file. Next, navigate to the Plugin Editor option within the Plugins menu. Here, you'll select the Tutor LMS Custom User Importer plugin from the drop-down menu and click the Select button. Step 3. Editing the code. Within the plugin files, locate the Inc folder and find the class.php file. This is where we'll be making our edits to customize the email text. Now, pay attention to the specific lines of code we'll be working with. We're focusing on lines 350 to 361. These lines control the content of the email users receive when imported into Tutor LMS. To add new lines, simply copy and paste existing ones and modify the text accordingly. Notice the variables $first_name, $username, $password, and $tutor citable? These represent the user's first name, username, password, and site title respectively. You can use them to personalize the body of your email according to your preferences. Step 4. Updating the file. Once you've made your desired changes, click on the Update File button to save them. If there are any errors in your code, you can always rectify them using an FTP client like FileZilla or by accessing your server directly. And there you have it. You've successfully customized the email text for the Tutor LMS User Importer plugin. Remember, testing on a staging website first is crucial to ensure everything works smoothly before implementing changes on your live site. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.